Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Engine. The GT3 RS is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that delivers high revving performance and a thrilling exhaust note. It is designed for track-focused driving experiences, with a focus on lightweight construction and precision engineering. Performance. The GT3 RS is optimized for track performance with rear-wheel drive and a lightweight chassis. It offers razor-sharp handling, precise steering, and exceptional cornering capabilities, making it ideal for spirited driving on both the road and the track. Exterior design. The GT3 RS features a distinctive exterior design with aerodynamic enhancements optimized for performance. It may include a large rear wing, front splitter, rear diffuser, and other aerodynamic elements to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Interior. Inside the cabin, the GT3 RS offers a stripped-down, race-inspired interior focused on driving dynamics. It may feature lightweight bucket seats, carbon fiber trim, a roll cage optional, and a simplified infotainment system focused on essential driving information. Track-ready features. The GT3 RS is equipped with track-ready features such as a lightweight carbon fiber roof, ceramic composite brakes, adjustable suspension settings, and a rear axle steering system for enhanced agility and stability during high-speed cornering. Limited availability. The GT3 RS is typically produced in limited numbers, adding to its exclusivity and desirability among enthusiasts. It is often sought after as a collectible and is prized for its track-focused performance capabilities.